Daily word list. Curb, verb.
Control, contain, restrict, limit.
Delta variant /B.1.617.2, noun.
Formerly known as A.2 or B.1.617.2, it's a variant of the coronavirus, first identified in India, is renamed as the Delta variant by the World Health Organization, WHO, and this variant is reclassified as Variant of Concern, VOC. The B.1.617.1 strain has been reclassified to a Variant of Interest, VOI, and labeled Variant Kappa.
Variant, noun.
Different or form or version or mutant of something, virus.
Vaccination, noun.
Treatment with a vaccine to protect against a particular disease, immunization.
Pandemic, noun.
The worldwide spread of a new disease. The illness spreads around the world and typically affects a large number of people across a wide area.
Coronavirus, cough, noun.
A large family of viruses that cause illness ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases. Common signs of infection include respiratory symptoms, fever, cough, shortness of breath, and breathing difficulties. In more severe cases, the infection can cause pneumonia, severe acute respiratory syndrome, kidney failure, and even death.
Downward, adjective.
Moving toward a lower level, descending, falling, sinking, sliding.
Trajectory, noun.
Track/course, route, path, direction, approach.
Be heralded, verb.
Acclaim, praise, applaud, commend.
Conjecture, noun.
Surmise, notion, thought, speculation, supposition.
Play a part/role, phrase.
Contribute to, be instrumental in, be a factor in.
Indian SARS-CoV-2 Genomic Consortia, noun.
INSACOG refers to the Indian SARS-CoV-2 Genome Sequencing Consortia. The INSACOG consortium of scientists, spanning 10 labs across the country, and involved in sequencing genomes of coronavirus samples in different states, had been giving regular updates on the threat from new strains to the government. Consortia is a plural form of consortium.
Repository, noun.
Central, storing place, reservoir.
Task, verb.
Assign a work to.
Genetic, adjective.
Relating to genes/genetics, a branch of biology concerned with the study of genes, genetic variation, and heredity in organisms.
Composition, noun.
Structure, formation.
Variant of concern, noun.
A variant for which there is evidence of an increase in transmissibility, more severe disease, for example, increased hospitalizations or deaths, significant reduction in neutralization by antibodies generated during previous infection or vaccination, reduced effectiveness of treatments or vaccines, or diagnostic detection failures.
Variants of interest, noun.
a variant with specific genetic markers that have been associated with changes to receptor binding, reduced neutralization by antibodies generated against previous infection or vaccination, reduced efficacy of treatments, potential diagnostic impact, or predicted increase in transmissibility or disease severity.
Lineage, noun.
Sequence.
Delta plus variant, noun.
Formerly known as A.1 or B.1.617.2.1, it's a variant of Delta, B.1.617.2, which was first identified in India. It has an additional mutation called K417N, which has previously been identified in the Beta variant, first found in South Africa, and the Gamma variant, first detected in Brazil. These variants are characterized as being highly infectious and may reduce the potency of vaccines.
A.3 variant, noun.
A new sublineage of Delta variant.
Mutation, noun.
A significant and basic alteration/variation in the DNA sequence.
Spike, noun.
A sharp increase.
Characteristic, adjective.
Distinctive, particular, specific.
Predominant, adjective.
Main, most important, more powerful.
Vaccine, noun.
A biological preparation that improves immunity to a particular disease.
Mortality, noun.
In a particular time/for a cause, the rate/number of death, loss of life.
So far, phrase.
Until now, up to the present, up to this point.
As well as, phrase.
And also, and in addition.
Normalization, noun.
The process of bringing something, for example economic activity, back to a normal condition.
Dramatic, adjective.
Considerable, substantial, appreciable, significant.
Fall, noun.
Decrease, decline, reduction.
Susceptible, adjective.
Vulnerable.
Susceptible host, noun.
Susceptible individual. Susceptibles have been exposed to neither the wild strain, type/variant, of the disease nor a vaccination against it, and thus have not developed immunity.
Unlikely, adjective.
Doubtful, implausible, improbable, questionable.
Obliterate, verb.
Destroy, wipe out, abolish, demolish, annihilate, something utterly.
Drug Controller General of India, noun.
Drugs Controller General of India, DCGI, is a department of the Central Drugs Standard Control Organization, CDSCO, of the Government of India responsible for approval of licenses of specified categories of drugs such as vaccines, and etc. in India. Drugs Controller General of India comes under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. DCGI also sets standards for the manufacturing, sales, import, and distribution of drugs in India.
Shot, noun.
Injection, inoculation, of a vaccine/drug.
ZyCoV-D vaccine, noun.
A 3-dose plasmid DNA candidate vaccine being developed by Ahmedabad-based Zydus Cadila. It is a vaccine that uses a genetically engineered, non-replicating version of a type of DNA molecule known as a plasmid. If approved by the regulator, ZyCoV-D will be the world's first DNA vaccine against infection with SARS-CoV-2.
Interim, adjective.
Provisional, temporary, transitional.
Efficacy, noun.
In medicine, the ability of an intervention, for example, a drug or surgery, to produce the desired beneficial effect, effectiveness, efficiency, power.
Trial, noun.
Test, pilot study, experiment, phase 1, 2, 3, and/or human/clinical trial.
Phase 3 trial, noun.
In phase 3 trial, the vaccine is given to thousands of people to confirm its safety, including rare side effects, and effectiveness. These trials involve a control group which is given a placebo.
Phase 2 trial, noun.
In phase 2 trial, the vaccine is given to hundreds of people so scientists can learn more about its safety and correct dosage.
Phase 1 trial, noun.
In phase 1 trial of clinical testing, the vaccine is given to a small group of people to determine whether it is safe and to learn more about the immune response it provokes.
Human trial/clinical trial, noun.
A type of research that studies new tests and treatments and evaluates their effects on human health outcomes.
Uncertain, adjective.
Unknown, unpredictable.
Arsenal, noun.
Array, range, lineup, collection of resources.
Too few, phrase.
Not enough.
Proportion, noun.
Portion, percentage, quantity.
Given, preposition.
Considering, taking into account, bearing in mind.
Bet, noun.
Option, choice, alternative, course of action, plan,